Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about screening of CNS stimulant as well as depressant property of some drugs. And for this, several models are available, but here we are going to discuss about actophotometer. Now, most of the central nervous system acting drugs they influences the locomotor activity in men and animals. Certain drugs like CNS depressant, for example, barbiturates and alcohol, they reduces the motor activity, while the CNS stimulant drugs such as caffeine and amphetamines they increases the motor activity. In other words, the locomotor activity can be an index of wakefulness. Wakefulness is nothing but the alertness of mental activity. It can be easily measured using actophotometer. Now this instrument is shown in front of you is the actophotometer. This instrument consists of the grid. If you observe, the grids are here, and here you will find on off switch. Then here there is a counter where you can count the number of locomotor activity, and here the reset button by which you can make it zero for change the reading when the animal gets changed. So here there is a presence of grid. This structure is observed here, and there is a light source from which the beam of light can be passed. It may be IR radiation or any other which is available. And at this side there is a photocell, and this photocell detects the light waves, and you can observe here the counter. Now what is the procedure? Here you can use the animals like mice, maybe of either sex, 20 to 25 grams. You can use your test and the standard drug, syringe, needle, etc. The cutoff time for this experiment is 10 minutes, means you can observe the animal for 10 minutes. If beyond 10 minutes the animal is not showing any response, you can reject that animal from the study. Make a group of animals. Primarily, you weigh the animals and number the animals according to the group. You can make a three group. First is the control group. Second is the test drug. You can use the different doses of test drug. Standard drug, particularly diazepam, is used. And what you have to observe the locomotor activity of a animal. Now here you can observe when you keep the animal here, the animal try to cross this beam, and the number of time the animal cross this beam, that number will appear on this counter. So how this experiment is carried out, we will just see the experiment. This is photoactometer. It is used for the screening of drugs for its CNS depressant and CNS stimulant activity. Actually, it can be observed by the movement of the animal, which is called as the locomotor activity. If you observe this instrument, it is a rectangular box. It containing one main switch. If you start the switch, it shows this count, that is the number, actually four numbers it is shown. So before starting any experiments, you can reset by switching this, so you will get 000 initial reading. So if you by one you put the animal, once you get the reading of one animal, then again reset and start with another animal. Here it also containing the switch by which you can apply the shock to the animal. This is what the adjustment button, but this facility can be used for different purposes or different screening activity. So now let us see how this, and another thing is that it containing a box. Here you can observe this is the grill where you can put the animal, and these are what infrared light. So this infrared beam coming here, this is coming here. When you keep the animal here, the animal will crosses here and here. During that process, it will cut the infrared beam. The number of times the beam is cut, that will be displayed on the counter. Let's see how it will work. I will keep one animal here and let's see the count. So I will stop this. So by this way, you can take the reading of control animal, your CNS stimulant drug, CNS depressant drug, and then find out the percent reduction in the locomotor activity or percent increase in the locomotor activity. Thank you. Hope you understand how to carry out the experiment. Now, regarding the observation table, here you can prepare such types of observation table which includes serial number, then body weight of animal, then you can also include male and female animal, then treatment. If you are using standard at different doses, test at different doses, you can write down here. Then locomotor activity score in 10 minutes. So before treatment, what was the score? After treatment, what was the score? From these two readings, you can calculate the percent change in the activity. It can be calculated by this following equation. Before treatment minus after treatment divided by before treatment into 100, you will get the percent change in activity. So in this case, if you observe the reduction in activity, these indicate CNS depression. So reduction in activity with respect to control shows CNS depressant activity of the drug. If you are getting increase in locomotor activity with respect to control animal, it indicates that your drug has CNS stimulant activity. So by this way, you can take number of animal, different types of drugs, and then you calculate the activity. So thanks once again for observing this experiment. Thank you.